Hi, Shaylin with WTI, and I want to show you why you need this lighted vanity mirror. I needed a little more lighting for my makeup application in my bathroom, but if you're just needing a little more light in yours, this vanity mirror with lighting by Keonjinn is the way to go. I love it. We have the 48 by 24, great size. It's got all LED lights, backlit, frontlit, and of course it came so well packaged. We were very happy with how well they protected it so that it came intact. You can see it's just got one plug, so very easy to get going. Like us, layers of protection, so we knew that we weren't going to have any issues with it. Came with all the hardware we needed, so it was very simple to install. You just have those two brackets that you need to put up, whether you're using studs or even anchors. It came with everything that we wanted to be able to just get that put up easily. Still had a layer of protection once we got it on. And look at that front lit feature. I love it. It's got your cool, your warm, your daylight, pretty much any day that you need. I love that it is dimmable, so if you just hold it down, it will go brighter, it will go even more dim. So just beautiful features with the backlit, front lit, like I said, LED lights, so it's not going to get hot. Love this anti-fog feature. Overall, just a great mirror. If you need a good mirror for makeup application or just to add a little light to your bathroom, this vanity LED mirror is perfect, and that is my point of view.